Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our beautiful May month topic. It is You Matter. It's all about supporting your well being. I want to remind you that just like every workshop, we have a workbook for you to download, and there's other resources too. And it's all in the section of Module 1, so you can get it all at once. Anyways, so let's get started. This month is about you because you really, really matter. Whether you are a parent or an educator or a therapist, how you care about yourself matters. And your well being is actually not just about you, it matters to your family, to your students, your clients, your pets. It matters to the world. When it comes to self care, I hear so many people saying things like, I'm the lowest one on the to do list, or everyone counts on me to keep this family going. I don't have time for that. Or if I take time to exercise, then I feel guilty because something else has to let go. Or when I take time to exercise, I get behind in everything else. It's way too hard to take the time for me. I don't even know who I am anymore. And we're not into that. I come from a family of hard workers. So I've heard all sorts of reasons for not caring for yourself.
So let's pause and reflect for a moment. What have you been telling yourself when it comes to your self care?
Hmm. Well, my thoughts go something like this. I'll do it tomorrow. I don't have any time today, but I did my yoga yesterday, so that will hold me for today. Other things might be like, well, first I have to take my dog Winnie out, so maybe later if I have time, but that later never happens if I don't do it right away. Um, and sometimes I'll even think about this. I'll say it's more important for my husband to do his workout. I'll stay and do something with the kids. When my kids were little, that would be my excuse. Oh, and I also would say stuff to myself like, I cannot believe that my sister takes time away from her kids and her family to train for those marathons just for fun. That's so selfish. Her family needs her. S- And then I would say to myself, self care is a luxury. So I had lots of things, lots and lots of things that I tell myself about self care.
So, another reflection, where are you at in your feelings about self care?
Well, like I said before, I felt I would feel, I guess, frustrated with people for their self care levels and maybe that frustration was really actually on me because I didn't put myself in a position where I put that first. Um, And yeah, sometimes I would feel angry when somebody told me that you should really exercise or you should really walk or you should really do this because it was like, who are you to tell me that I should be doing this? And because I don't like being told what to do, really. I think it comes down to that for me. That's kind of where I was at. So then I would push back. Like if somebody demands something of you and you don't like being told, you kind of push back, so then you just don't do stuff, even if you know it's good for you. I think I have been in that position for self-care. So those are my answers, but it's time for you to take a moment to actually write down your answers to those questions, and they are located in that workbook. Or pull out a sheet of paper and just write it down. Really think about this, those two questions. What have you been telling yourself when it comes to self care? And where are you at with your feelings about self care?